The next family of organic compound is ketones. So ketones have the functional group CO. So CO is the functional group of ketones. The CO can be written in this way also, C double bond O. So in these two ways we can write the functional group of ketones. So C double bond O. So we can show all the bonds between carbon and oxygen in this case. So these two can be the functional group of either of one of them can be used as the functional group of ketones. So the first compound can be written as, so there are two valencies are unsatisfied. Unsatisfied valencies are two. So we have to satisfy with two groups. So two groups, here we can write one CH3 group. Here also we can write another CH3 group. So CH3, CO, CH3. Or we can write CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So this is another way of writing this compound. So since C double bond O has two unsatisfied valencies, we have to satisfy both the sides with a group. So this is the simplest ketone. So since it is having 3 carbon atoms, the parent alkane is propane. So the parent alkane of this compound is propane. So number of carbon atoms together is 3. 3 carbon atoms together. Number of carbon atoms together. That means the functional group itself contains a carbon atom. So we have to count all the carbon atoms together and we will get it as propane. So E of the parent alkane is replaced by ONE. So we get propanol. So on from ketone. On we get from ketone. ONE from ketone. So it is named as propanol. So propanol is the simplest ketone. So first ketone എഴുതുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ 3 കാർബൺ ആറ്റംസ് വരുന്നു. മറ്റ് ഓർഗാനിക് കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സിൽ നിന്ന് വ്യത്യസ്തമായി കീറ്റോൺസ് എഴുതുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ കോമ്പൗണ്ടിൽ തന്നെ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് കീറ്റോണിൽ തന്നെ 3 കാർബൺ ആറ്റംസ് വരുന്നു. 3 കാർബൺ ആറ്റംസ് വരുന്നത് കാർബണൈൽ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് CO ഗ്രൂപ്പിൻ്റെ വാലൻസീസ് 2 എണ്ണം അൺസാറ്റിസ്ഫൈഡ് ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ആ 2 അൺസാറ്റിസ്ഫൈഡ് വാലൻസീസും സാറ്റിസ്ഫൈ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ മിനിമം ഓരോ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് വെച്ച് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കണം. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഫസ്റ്റ് കീറ്റോൺ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സിംപ്ലസ്റ്റ് കീറ്റോൺ തന്നെ that contains 3 carbon atoms. So this is the first ketone or the simplest ketone. It is named as propanol since it contains 3 carbon atoms together. 3 carbon atom ആണുള്ളത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ it is named as propanol. So find out the parent alkane. It is propane. E of the parent alkane is replaced by ONE. We get the name as propanol. Then we can write the next compound. It is CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. So this is a ketone since it contains a carbonyl group. So this group is called a carbonyl group. This is called a carbonyl group. So carbonyl group is there. So it is a ketone. So find out the parent alkane first. In this case also we have to find the parent alkane by counting the number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms count ചെയ്യുക. ഇവിടെ 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is the number of carbon atom. Since 4 is the number of carbon atoms, so the parent alkane is butane. 4 ആണ് number of carbon atom. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ butane is the parent alkane. So in order to get the IUPAC name of ketone, E of the parent alkane is replaced by ONE. So we will get the name as butanol. So it can be written in this way also, CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. So this is actually the condensed form of this compound. Condensed formula ഇങ്ങനെ വേണമെങ്കിലും നമുക്ക് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. condensed formula എഴുതിയാലും we have to count the number of carbon atoms together, find out the parent alkane, then E of the parent alkane is replaced by ONE. That is how ketones are named. Next we can write one more example. Now I am going to write the condensed form first. CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. So how many carbon atoms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are here. Since it is a ketone, we have to name it as pentanone. Pentanone. How it comes? Pentanone. The parent alkane is pentane. Parent alkane is pentane since it contains 5 carbon atoms together. 5 carbon atom ഉണ്ട്. Carbonyl ഗ്രൂപ്പിന്റെ functional ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ഒരു കാർബൺ ഉണ്ട്. ആ കാർബൺ കൂടെ ചേർത്ത് വേണം carbon atoms count ചെയ്യാൻ. So in this case total 5 carbon atoms. So the parent alkane is pentane. So E of the parent alkane is replaced by ONE. So we will get the name as pentanone. So in this case the complete structure will be, so the complete structural formula can be written in this way. So this is the complete structural formula. So here നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ ബോൺസും കാണിച്ചാണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ ഡ്രോ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. So it is a complete structural formula. This is actually the condensed structural formula. ഈ രണ്ട് കേസ് ആണെങ്കിലും count the number of carbon atoms together, find out the parent alkane, then E of the parent alkane is replaced by ONE. So CO ആണ് functional group എങ്കിൽ അത് ketone ആണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് assume ചെയ്യാം. Ketone ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് IUPAC name നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. So in this case 5 carbon atoms are there, parent alkane is pentane, so E is replaced by ONE, so the name is pentanone. So the IUPAC name of this compound is pentanone. So that is how ketones are named.